Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hey, hello, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. This is our part 2 video and I have already made the part 1 video. Our part 1 video is not completed, so I had to make another video, that is our part 2 video. This video. In this video, you can learn how to color with the watercolor, human figure, trees, roads. This is all our foreground. If you cannot understand, then go and watch our part 1 video first. In our part 1 video, I have shown you why landscape coloring is so important while you are doing the compositions. This both of the video will clear your concept of coloring of compositions in watercolor. So don't waste time, watch this video and watch part 1 video. So part 1 and part 2 video, both video is important. So enjoy our video. And once again I'm saying, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We need more and more people watch us and send your video also. Okay, because you know Doremi is a platform, nourishes the start to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright.
So let's start our part 2 video, how to color human figure after coloring landscape. Yes, if you want to know the landscape coloring, so you have to watch our part 1 video before watching our part 2 video. So without wasting time, go and watch our part 1 video first. So we will take the brown color and take little bit of crimson lake and yellow ochre, and again with crimson, little bit of yellow ochre for our mud house color. Yes, so look how I am coloring. In yellow color you have seen I have used gamboge yellow color for the roof of the house. Okay, and now I am doing the mud house color with brown mixing with gamboge color, yellow ochre, and look, you have to very careful, color should not be go in the leg of our human figure. If it is good little bit, there is no problem, but be very particular. Look where I am giving dark color, light color, to think about the light. You know, light is coming on the veranda, so the veranda you can see I have used light color, but where the light is not coming, where I am using dark color mixing with brown and look, now I'm coloring the house door. So this is actually basically green color, but I have used little bit brown color in this. That shows that this is the not new door. Okay, some mud is also there in the door, so don't try to finish it. First apply the basic, first tone. Same you can see that I am applying this color. I am doing this mud house color lighter than the behind one. So you just follow all the steps, gradually you can understand everything. Now we are coloring very light color, we are taking, we are coloring over here brown color mixed with gamboge, sometimes crimson. Okay, you can see crimson and mixed with Prussian blue, it's violet color we are getting, where you are feeling the little bit of shadows areas where you have made the violet color using little bit of green color in very light way. This way we can break the monotony of the color. So you see the roads are different color, that is breaking the monotony actually, and you can see how fantastic it was looking. So this is the basic and first tones. Now I'm taking vermilion color and I'm coloring the dresses. Okay, you can see how I'm coloring. Now in the dress some flowers are there, same color I'm using. In the skirt also, at the down part also. Now I'm taking fresh gamboge color yellow for skirt. Don't use too much of water because we are in detailing right now. So you can see the basic first tone we have given. Now again crimson and little bit blue mix to achieve violet shades. Look, you have colored the pant also. You can see what the girl is wearing, a dress. Now this is a boy. We have taken the blue color for the pant. And the slippers is blue color. Again brown mixing with gamboge. Now our second tone is started in our figure. You can see you have to be very particular actually where I am doing this color. That is very important. That will create the volume. The basic funda is this: the light is coming from the right side, so left side must be tone. You can see as the girl is wearing the skirts, so shadow is coming on the top of the leg, but the down part of the leg I have left the first tone to show the light. And when you are using second tone, must use for the hair also. You all may think hair is black color, so we have to use black color. No, not directly we'll use a black color. You can see everything, just you have to follow. You don't skip the video. You watch the full video. You watch full video. Same thing, same way I am applying the color for the human also. We will not use very dark color as it is far. I have told before also, according to the perspective, the figure is standing far, will be not be very dark color. Now for the dress we are giving the tone, second tone, some folds we are doing. We have taken yellow ochre for skirt as a second tone. Now again taking the violet shades for achieve shades. So you can see again I am taking blue color mixed with brown to achieve dark color. This is our hair, but we didn't use black color. But the definitely color is looking blackish, but it is not black color. Whenever you feel you need black color, take Prussian blue color, mix with brown, mix with viridian, you will get black shades. Look how interestingly I have shown the eyes. You can understand this is working as our third tone. Look, the shades is coming in left side, as from the right side light is coming. So look, our figure is ready. Now the next one, same way, here also you can see in the left side the light is coming on the top. You can understand, I'm not doing too much of detailing as the figure is in little bit far than our main figure, but little touch is needed to clear the figure's expression. It's very interesting how gradually I'm improving. Yes, the girl is wearing a slippers, you can see that I have done. Now I'm taking brown color, very lightly I'm using as a shades for the figure, boy figure. So first we are completing all our human figure because this is our main subjects here. Look, now for the roof we are applying shades for objects also. You can see the bamboo, the door, some lines, shades, the greenish shades. We are creating the textures. Again our brown color mixed with yellow ochre. Look how I'm coloring. This part is very interesting, you have to follow this. Viridian mixed with brown to get brownish green color for the tree. Dark brown color mixed with crimson to get black shades mixed with Prussian blue. I have told before also, you can see. Shadows in the road. You can see this road is also made with mud. Some stones are there. The feelings is that some stones, some brick must be there small. That I'm showing, I'm doing. This is the coat, just you can see our road is looking fully with light and shades. Now we have taken green color. You have to follow everything, how I'm clearing this. yellow ochre mixing with crimson, little bit of brown for the house. You can see how it is looking. That light is directly coming on the mud house wall. To look our tree more real, we are applying some texture shades, and the tree also some dark leaves. I hope you are liking this video. You are learning lot of things in videos. You have to watch this video 4-5 times. The more time you will watch the video, you will learn thing easily. And follow my color palette where I have written all the names of the color. And see, at the background of the painting there is a landscape. Can you see? Yes, this is our part 2 video where we have completed our picture. But you need to watch our part 1 video to see the landscape coloring that you can see at the background of the human figure. So go and watch our part 1 video also.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.